sir. We're ready to go.
And we got us 3.
All right, jump on this boat. You guys jump on that boat.
That one over there?
Yep.
Land! Summer man!
Man, take care of your own fish later, Bill.
I see how it is.
All right. We're going in the Mamba, baby. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit.
Relax, enjoy it.
Yeah, so it's like 6:15, 6:10. About we're all heading out to the water to
So, boss,
fishing.
how's it going?
We're doing good. Don't tell me this is one of those bad ones.
No, it's a good one. It's just too small.
relax. Damn.
That's bigger than yours.
This one?
Oh shit. That thing's huge. I'll show you.
Damn. Oh my goodness.
That woman's gonna fucking die.
Yeah. We're done. We maxed out on our trout. And now we're going back to the marina. Joe caught a massive 26-inch trout, but we couldn't keep it because it was too big. Really just like Nintendo. So I fell asleep. Then I was watching Seinfeld, and I'm going back downstairs because we're about to go to the place where they'll fry the fish that we just caught earlier this morning, and then all the coworkers will be down there hanging out, whatever. So that's what we're doing for dinner, and that's where we're headed right now. So we had dinner with the company, talking to a lot of the coworkers. It's good stuff. It's cool, dude. I think there's dolphins in the bay right now, which is kind of cool. Maybe I don't know if you saw that. Look, oh, there's fins. I don't know where else. Oh yeah, down there, right here. Kind of cool. I don't know if I've ever seen a dolphin before. But I think that's gonna be it for today. I think we're going out later, and then we leave to go back to Austin like 9 or 10 in the morning. So till then, peace. See you later.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up.